Overacting is not a personality flaw. It's usually a response to uncertainty. When beginners don't know what to do, they do more. They add volume, they add intensity, they add emotion. They think bigger choices equal better acting. Most of the time, the opposite is true. Overacting happens when actors try to show something instead of do something. They try to show anger. They try to show sadness. They try to show importance. That creates performances that feel pushed. Professional actors focus on action. What am I trying to accomplish? What am I trying to change? What am I trying to avoid? Those questions naturally limit excess because real behavior is specific. Beginners also overact because they're afraid of being boring. They believe subtle equals invisible. But clarity reads more strongly than volume. On camera especially, small choices carry weight. Another reason beginners overact is nerves. Adrenaline speeds everything up, energy spikes. Training teaches actors how to stay grounded under pressure. This is why fundamentals matter. When you know what you're doing, you don't need to add. You trust the situation. Overacting also comes from lack of listening. When actors aren't affected by the other person, they fill the space themselves. Listening pulls energy outward. It creates restraint. To stop overacting, simplify, lower the volume, slow the pace, focus on the other person. Ask yourself, what do I want right now? What's stopping me? What am I doing to try to get it? Those answers will guide your behavior. Here's the key. Strong acting looks simple, not because it's easy, but because it's focused. When you stop trying to prove something, the work settles, and that's when truth shows up.